Hello and welcome to NetVital channel. Today I want to show you how we can capture from a PS4. In this video I can show you how you can play and how you can capture your game and move to USB device and edit and share on YouTube or everywhere that you want. When you are playing, you can press share key on joystick, and when you do this you can have a save video clip. Yes, you can click on it. Okay, next step, you can have a storage device. I can show you 5 storage device here. As you can see, you can use memory, you can use USB, SSD as external hard disk or hard disk. Everything that you have at home you can use for moving your video to a computer. For memory, you can use a connector. USB device is okay, you can use directly. You can have SSD, hard disk and everything. Okay, we back to PC and connect your USB device. It's very important format your device as exFAT. Yes, now it's complete. As you know, when you format your disk, everything is lost. Okay, for moving, you can go to capture gallery. Okay, from here you can copy everything to USB. You can select one by one or you can select all and you can copy to your storage room. Yes, and copy. Okay, that's done, and I back to storage device and I can show you now we have 2.66 gigabyte on our storage room. Okay, we back to PC and connect storage device to PC. Okay, you can see we have folder PS4, we have folder share, and on the share you have 2 folders for image and for video. Everything is here. Now you can edit and you can share on platform that you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.